Welcome to Rio de Janeiro, a state on the southeastern coast of Brazil, where the vibrancy of a bustling metropolis meets the raw beauty of nature. Our journey will take us from the sun-drenched shores of Copacabana to the misty peaks of Sugarloaf Mountain and the tranquil waters of Lagoa Rodrigo de Freitas. Witness the boundless energy of a city that pulses with life while also exploring the serene landscapes that lie just beyond its borders. Prepare to be captivated by its beauty, diversity, and enduring spirit. Our exploration begins on the sun-kissed shores of Rio de Janeiro, where the city meets the sea in a dazzling display of natural splendor. Copacabana, with its crescent-shaped shoreline and mosaic sidewalks, is perhaps the most famous of them all. Here, the rhythm of life is dictated by the ebb and flow of the tide, the cries of beach vendors, and the laughter of children playing in the surf. From the golden sands of Copacabana, one can gaze up at the imposing silhouette of Sugarloaf Mountain. Ipanema, with its chic boutiques and trendy cafes, exudes an air of sophistication. Its beach attracts a diverse crowd of sunbathers, surfers, and volleyball enthusiasts. The setting sun paints the sky in hues of orange and purple, creating a breathtaking spectacle. Further along the coast, nestled between towering cliffs and verdant hills, lies Prainha, a hidden gem coveted by surfers for its powerful waves and unspoiled beauty. And then there's Lopes Mendes, often hailed as one of the most beautiful beaches in the world, located on Ilha Grande, an island paradise off the coast of Rio. Rising dramatically from the heart of Rio de Janeiro, Sugarloaf Mountain is more than just a geographical wonder. It is a symbol of the city itself. Ascend to its summit by cable car, and you'll be rewarded with breathtaking panoramic views of Guanabara Bay, the city sprawling below, and the vast expanse of the Atlantic Ocean. Corcovado Mountain, home to the iconic Christ the Redeemer statue, offers another perspective on Rio's grandeur. Standing atop this peak, the Christ the Redeemer statue is a beacon of hope and a reminder of Rio's rich cultural and spiritual heritage. Venturing beyond the city limits, we encounter the Serra dos Orgulhos National Park, a hiker's paradise. Here, jagged peaks pierce the sky, their slopes cloaked in emerald green rainforest. Waterfalls cascade down sheer cliffs, their roar echoing through the valleys, while colorful birds flit through the canopy above. Whether you're standing atop Sugarloaf Mountain or hiking through Serra dos Orgulhos, these mountains and hills offer a unique perspective on the natural wonders of Rio de Janeiro. While Rio de Janeiro is renowned for its iconic beaches and dramatic mountains, it is also a city blessed with an abundance of green spaces. These natural sanctuaries provide a refreshing contrast to the urban landscape, offering residents and visitors alike a chance to reconnect with nature. Tijuca National Park, a sprawling rainforest that blankets much of the city, stands as a testament to the power of nature to thrive even in the midst of urban sprawl. Covering nearly 32 square kilometers, it is a haven for those seeking tranquility and adventure. This remarkable forest, one of the largest urban forests in the world, is a sanctuary for an astonishing array of plant and animal life. From colorful birds to elusive mammals, the biodiversity here is truly remarkable, making it a paradise for nature enthusiasts and researchers alike. Towering trees form a verdant canopy overhead, filtering the sunlight and creating a dappled understory where ferns, bromeliads, and orchids flourish. The forest floor is a mosaic of life, with each layer of vegetation supporting a unique ecosystem. Ilha Grande State Park, located on the island of Ilha Grande off the coast of Rio, offers a glimpse into a world untouched by the hustle and bustle of city life. This island paradise is a sanctuary for those looking to escape and immerse themselves in nature's splendor. Here, pristine beaches give way to dense rainforest, and the only sounds are the gentle lapping of waves and the calls of exotic birds. The park's serene environment provides a perfect backdrop for relaxation and exploration. Hiking trails lead to hidden waterfalls and secluded coves, inviting visitors to immerse themselves in the island's unspoiled beauty. Each trail offers a unique perspective of the island's diverse landscapes, from lush forests to crystal-clear waters. Closer to the city, Restinga de Marica provides a vital refuge for biodiversity within easy reach of Rio's urban dwellers. This protected area is home to a variety of species, making it an important site for conservation and education. These forests and national parks serve as a vital reminder that even in the midst of a bustling metropolis, nature's embrace is never far away. They offer a sanctuary for both wildlife and people, highlighting the importance of preserving these green spaces for future generations. Beyond the vibrant beaches and bustling city streets, Rio de Janeiro holds hidden pockets of tranquility, where the sound of cascading water and the gentle lapping of waves create a symphony of serenity. These are the waterfalls and lagoons of Rio, each a sanctuary of peace amidst the surrounding energy. Cachoeira das Almas, nestled within the lush embrace of Tijuca National Park, is a testament to the power and beauty of nature's raw energy. Here, water plunges over a rocky precipice, creating a curtain of white mist that dances in the sunlight. In the heart of the city, Lagoa Rodrigo de Freitas provides a different kind of tranquility. This lagoon, fringed by parks and gardens, offers a sanctuary of peace amidst the urban sprawl. Here, locals and visitors alike come to escape the city's heat, to stroll along its shores, to cycle along its paths, or to simply sit and watch the sailboats glide across its placid surface. Whether seeking adventure or tranquility, Rio's waterfalls and lagoons offer a welcome respite from the city's vibrant energy. From the lush rainforests that cloak its mountains, where the dense canopy forms a verdant blanket over the rugged terrain, to the depths of its surrounding waters, teeming with vibrant marine life and hidden wonders, Rio de Janeiro is a city teeming with life. This bustling metropolis is not just a hub of human activity, but also a sanctuary for countless species. A remarkable diversity of ecosystems exists within and around this urban center, from coastal mangroves to mountainous forests, each one supporting a unique array of creatures. These habitats are home to an astonishing variety of wildlife, each adapted to their specific environment. In the canopy of Tijuca National Park, one of the largest urban forests in the world, a troop of brown howler monkeys moves effortlessly through the trees, their agile bodies navigating the branches with ease, their deep, guttural calls echoing through the forest. Brightly colored toucans with their striking plumage, their oversized beaks a marvel of natural engineering, designed to reach and consume a variety of fruits, hop from branch to branch, adding splashes of color to the green backdrop, their calls adding a tropical soundtrack to the forest. Beneath the forest canopy and the shadowy undergrowth, agoutis, small mammals resembling large rodents, scurry through the undergrowth, foraging for food, their keen senses alert to any danger. These creatures play a crucial role in the ecosystem, dispersing seeds and maintaining the forest floor. The waters surrounding Rio are equally teeming with life. Beneath the waves, a vibrant marine ecosystem thrives. Dolphins often escort boats as they navigate Guanabara Bay, their playful nature bringing joy to onlookers, their sleek bodies leaping and diving alongside, a testament to their agility and grace, while colorful fish dart amongst the coral reefs that lie just offshore, creating a mesmerizing underwater ballet. The sheer diversity of life found in Rio de Janeiro, from the forest floor to the ocean depths, is a testament to the city's commitment to conservation and its recognition of the importance of preserving these natural treasures for generations to come. Through dedicated efforts, Rio continues to protect its rich biodiversity, ensuring that the vibrant tapestry of life here remains intact for future generations to marvel at and cherish. For those seeking more than just passive observation, Rio de Janeiro offers a playground of adventure, a chance to connect with its natural wonders in a more visceral way. This vibrant city is not just about its famous carnival or iconic landmarks. It's a haven for thrill-seekers and nature enthusiasts alike. From the verdant slopes of its mountains to the crashing waves of its Atlantic coastline, the opportunities for eco-tourism and exhilarating experiences are as diverse as the landscapes themselves. Imagine waking up to the sound of the ocean, ready to explore the lush forests and rugged terrains that make Rio a unique destination. Lace up your hiking boots and embark on a trek through Tijuca National Park, following trails that wind through dense rainforest, past cascading waterfalls and up to panoramic viewpoints. This park, one of the largest urban forests in the world, offers a sanctuary for wildlife and a retreat for those looking to escape the hustle and bustle of city life. For a truly unique perspective, take to the skies and experience the thrill of paragliding. Feel the adrenaline rush as you glide over the city, taking in the breathtaking views that stretch from the mountains to the sea. Launch from the top of Pedra Bonita and soar like a bird over the city, the wind whipping through your hair as you marvel at the sprawling metropolis below. This is an experience that combines the thrill of flight with the serene beauty of Rio's landscape. Surfers from around the globe flock to Rio's beaches, drawn by the legendary waves that break along its coastline. The city's beaches are not just for sunbathing, they are dynamic playgrounds for surfers of all levels. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a first-timer, there's a wave with your name on it, from the gentle rollers of Copacabana to the powerful barrels of Prena. Each beach offers a different challenge and a unique vibe, making Rio a top destination for surfing enthusiasts. For a more tranquil adventure, rent a kayak and explore the calm waters of Lagoa Rodrigo de Freitas, gliding past lush greenery and enjoying the peaceful ambience of this urban oasis. This serene lagoon, surrounded by the city's bustling life, offers a perfect escape for those looking to unwind and connect with nature. Whether you seek adventure in the air, on land or at sea, Rio de Janeiro has something to offer everyone. The city's diverse landscapes and vibrant culture create a perfect backdrop for unforgettable adventures. So pack your bags, bring your sense of adventure, and get ready to explore the wonders of Rio de Janeiro. As our journey through the natural wonders of Rio de Janeiro comes to an end, we are left with a profound sense of awe and appreciation for this extraordinary state. From its iconic beaches to its lush mountains, its vibrant wildlife to its thrilling adventure opportunities, Rio de Janeiro truly has something to offer everyone. Thank you for joining us on this exploration. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more incredible journeys to the world's most breathtaking destinations.